Spanish boys. Yeah. 1738. Hey, I'ma hear what's up, hello. It's the future tense and I'll teach it real slow. You take it plus I, that's the only way to go. You add an infinitive to really make it flow. It's the future tense, I ain't never letting go. And it ain't hard conjugating. I be with my friends and conjugating, yeah. It's the future tense, y'all know. Listen up so you can get that hundo. Here, which means to go. Sit there and watch, I'll put on a show. Conjugating the present tense that y'all know. Here it is, I'll read it slow. Yo voy, tú vas. Ella, él, usted va. Nosotros vamos. Vosotros vais. Ellos, ellas, ustedes van. Now that's it conjugated. It's pretty simple, no need to be hating, yeah. Now I'ma pass it to my boy to show you how to use it. It ain't no ploy.
You take IR like you're gonna do something and add an infinitive, and it's gonna start erupting. Listen up, I'll give you some examples. There it is, I'll give you a sample. You take IR, conjugate it to the yo. Take a verb and you're ready to go. Put out in the middle and there you go. Here it is, I'll show you how we roll. It's like voy a viajar, which means I'm going to travel. Or vas a luchar, which means you're going to fight.
Dang, Miss Myers, this was hard. It's time consuming, but I spit straight bars. Mixtape drop this summer, be ready. Watch out, this about to get heavy. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello. It's a future tense, I'll teach it real slow. You take your plus I, that's the only way to go. You add an infinitive to really make it flow. It's the future tense, I ain't never letting go. It ain't hard conjugating. I'll be with my friend and conjugating, yeah. It's the future tense, y'all know. Listen up so we can get that hundo.
Dude, our song is fire. Can I get a welcome to Moe's? Can I get a welcome to Moe's?